Okay, so we have not one, not two, but actually three different sources of heat in this home. We make sure that everybody's comfortable all the time. We have the gas stove, and that's a nice comfort heat. Also very handy when it gets really low. But then we also have these mini split HVAC heater air conditioning. Now what you're going to want to do is when you want to do this, you have to come out here to in front of it because it's remote control, and then press the on button. You'll see it goes on. You can adjust the temperature up or down with that. The mode chooses whether you're on heat or you're on nothing or auto or cool or dry. Right now, since it's March, we're going to keep it on heat. Here's something I wanted to bring up to you though. If you get to the point where at nighttime, those little lights up there are very bright, come down here to the LED button and you push the LED button and watch what happens up there, and it goes off. That way you can sleep and not have this giant light going on. So anyway, that's it.